This video will demonstrate the installation of the Yamaha brackets to the Energizer Industrial Lithium 48V golf cart battery. Prior to installation, engage the parking brake and ensure the vehicle's key is in the off position. Switch the vehicle into tow mode. Remove the existing batteries by disconnecting the main negative and positive cables. Remove the battery hold-down bracket and carefully lift and remove each battery. Place the brackets on the ground. Place the battery on top of the brackets and line up the bolt holes of the battery to the bracket. Secure the battery to the bracket using the supplied bolts. We have already pre-drilled the holes in the Yamaha battery box. Place the battery with the brackets into the battery box and secure the brackets with the supplied bolts. Connect the main positive and negative cables. Tighten the connections according to the torque specifications listed on the battery to ensure secure and safe connection. Connect the wire for the remote power button into the appropriate external port. Connect the battery gauge to the CAN meter port.